Hi friends, so today we are going to discuss questions based on international relations. Okay, these questions are actually from your test series. So let's discuss all those questions based on international relations. Okay, so check the first question. The World Employment and Social Outlook report is released by four organizations are given. International Labour Organization, of course, that's actually the answer. World Economic Forum, United Nations Economic Program, United Nations Economic Program, United Nations Development Program. Okay, so of course they will be asking questions like ABCD type questions like this. Then they will be asking statement type questions. And another important question is actually the map type question. Okay, it's actually the map question. So suppose mostly the questions will be like match, either it will be match the following, or questions like uh, which which are the states that actually is not sharing the boundary with. Likewise, the question can ask or some topographical features. Okay, that's actually another type of question that can be asked in UPSC based on international relations. Okay, so UPSC never ask question without, they won't ask any question randomly. Okay, if they're asking a question, there will be question in international relation, there will be some sort of current affairs that actually happened. Okay, so for example, in 2015 we already discussed, right, which of the states is actually having boundary towards the Mediterranean Sea. That's actually 2015 question. So in that year, that question happened just because of the fact that in the year 2015, a huge refugee crisis happened. Okay, and this Mediterranean Sea was actually one of the important region. Okay, in that refugee crisis. Okay, so many events actually happened based on the refugee crisis in Mediterranean Sea. So because of that only reason, UPSC asked question in 2015 based on Mediterranean Sea, and they didn't ask any question based on refugee crisis directly, but they asked the question which of the states are not sharing the boundary with Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so likewise, this is how UPSC is actually asking questions based on international relations. Okay, now check the first. Now let's discuss this question. So here I actually highlighted all those answers because I know that you guys already got the answers. So I am here to discuss all these questions. Okay, not saying which are the answers is correct or not. Okay, so let's check the question. The World Employment and Social Outlook report is released by A, international organization, B, World Economic Forum, United Nations Economic Program, United Nations Development Program. Okay, United Nations, not economic program, it's actually environment program. Okay, and the answer is what? International Labour Organization. Okay, so if you are carefully looking onto my slide, okay, first of all you will be seeing the question. After that, you can see the description. Okay, what are the things? Descriptions about the answers, okay, based on the question. Okay, so the first slide will be the question and the next slide will be the descriptions. Okay, so here our answer is International Labour Organization. So a small detail about International Labour Organization is given. Okay, so the World Economic and Social Outlook report is by International Labour Organization, and in the second paragraph I had given most of the reports that actually made by international organizations that are actually released by international labor organizations. So let's check what are those imports. So look here, the World Social Protection Reports, World Employment and Social Outlook, World of Work Report, Global Wage Report. So these are the most important reports that actually released by international labor organization. So just try to just have a quick reading onto this. Okay, I'm not saying that you guys need to buy hard, but once you read thoroughly what are the reports that are actually released by ILO, then it will be very easy. Okay, so when you see the options itself, you can put the correct answer. Okay, you can mark the correct answer. Okay, so the first question, our answer is International Labour Organization. Now let's discuss the next question. So look here, the Lithium Triangle nations were recently in news refers to Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, Brazil, Peru, Cambodia, Argentina, Brazil, Chile. So except sorry, not Cambodia, Colombia. Okay, so you can see all those countries are actually from South American countries, right? So why this Lithium Triangle question actually happened? Okay, why you got a question like Lithium Triangle? It's just because of the fact that India is actually trying to develop a rechargeable battery. Okay, mostly used. Okay, they are trying to use. India is actually developing her indigenously. Okay, India indigenously developing the lithium batteries. Okay, so that can be used in automobiles. Okay, so for it, in order to make you already know electricity is actually clean energy. So according for our, in order to make environmental friendly, eco-friendly, India is actually planning to develop more electric vehicles, and correspondingly India is trying to develop this lithium lithium charged batteries. Okay, so lithium is actually main component on that battery, and please have a quick please check onto that, okay, that details. Okay, so I think you will be getting another question from lithium ion batteries. Okay, in the same test itself I think you already got another question, right? Okay, so here our answer is Argentina, Bolivia and Chile. So Argentina, Bolivia and Chile, they are known as the lithium triangle countries. Okay, they are actually having a huge deposit. So it's actually the border regions of these countries. I think in the next slide I had given a detailed description. Okay, the lithium triangle is an area of Andes rich in lithium reserves around the borders of, yeah, I said, you know, the borders of Argentina, Bolivia and Chile. The lithium in the triangle is concentrated in various salt pans that exist along the Atacama Desert and neighboring arid areas. Lithium rechargeable battery. So lithium rechargeable battery. So this is very important. This is actually current affair, and you need to know the lithium triangle inside. So we discussed about lithium triangle. We discussed about which are the countries which comes under lithium triangle: Argentina, Bolivia, and Chile. So why the question happened? Just because of this lithium rechargeable battery. Okay, so India recently trying to develop the lithium rechargeable battery indigenously.